Hello, and welcome back to another resin art DIY project.
Hello, and welcome back to another resin art video. My name is Tyler Carroll, and I will be your artist today. This is going to be resin Diptych painting, 2 of them on ground aluminum, and I'll show you how we do it. And then at the end of the video, I'll go over the color products, everything like that. And then also at the very end of the video, the last part of it, there'll be 2 cards that'll link you to the other videos on this aluminum. One how to prep it, and another one where I did another piece of aluminum artwork. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, bye everybody.
Okay, so this is a 18 by 8 inch each ground aluminum Diptych. The resin I'm going to use today is Pro Marine Supplies. I mixed up approximately 14 ounces of it. Then I'm also using some P.H. Martin's India inks. Also, there will be a plethora of blue from Gold and Fluid Acrylics. And then also a gold pigment from Art Tree Creations. They're rich gold. So, and I just kind of showed here how I heat it up and create some cells and create some effects. It looks pretty good on here. Tish from where's she from? Nap Time Videos. She's got a channel. She wanted to see more of the gold, and I was like, well, why not? And this was kind of a warm-up piece for me. I still have the triptych to do and a couple other pieces to do, but I'm like, I might as well practice and do something. So this was a little practice one that I'm doing and just kind of trying stuff out and see what happens. Still looking, going through all my stuff and figuring out the translucents that I can use on it, because I love the translucents. It kind of just lets the aluminum show right through it, so that's what I like about the translucents. Okay, what else? I don't know. Thank you all for watching. Thank all my new subscribers. I will make a video on going over these and how to put a D-ring on the back. I know I showed in the last video, like on how I prepped the aluminum, there was some plastic stuff on the back. I did get that all off. I had to, I took it outside and I sprayed it down with acetone, and then it peeled that plastic right back. So if you get any of this aluminum and it's got that on there, that's what I learned, and that's what helps to do it. So, okay, I'll be quiet. We'll jam out and paint. All right, enjoy the video. Okay, so the bottom of this one's all taped off. I'll do another video, like I said, where I put the D-rings on it and everything like that. And then just make sure, I always tell everybody, make sure you come in for a half hour, 45 minutes and torch it, pop your bubbles, all that stuff like that. So, oh man, this one, she's gorgeous. She's a good looking painting. I like it. And this blue, like these blue ones like that with the gold, oh man, it's pretty awesome looking. And then how the grinder lines go from side to side, it looks really, really good. So, all right, and then I'll put some still images in here, and then I'll kind of go over how I mix my colorant products and everything like that for those that want to know. So I'll be on talking here in just a second. Okay, so in the video today, the colors that we used, with the PH Martin's Bombay inks, I used teal, I used turquoise, I also used aqua, and I also used blue. The paint that I used was golden plethalo blue, and then I also used Art Tree Creations out of this new kit that Tamara's got. It's this rich gold. So like on this gold like this, you don't, I would say on your popsicle stick, you only need about, a quarter of the tip of it. You don't need a whole lot to make this happen, it just creates that nice little sheen and everything like that. And then on your inks, like I would take your bottle, like your dropper right here, your dripper, because these things, they come like this, they've got a little dripper. And what I did on mine is I just, I had it filled up and I used about 10 drops of it, of each one. Now, depending upon the size of your artwork, and how big of a piece it is, it's always going to matter, like to how translucent you can make it or not. So I'm just putting this in the video because I figured to help some people out. So, okay, there you go. Okay, and there's one of the bigger ones we'll be doing here in the future, but kind of took it outside so you guys can see it in the outside light, and oh man, she's nice and shiny and sparkly, and I like it. So, pretty proud of this one. I think it turned out great, and I'll put some cards up here for the next videos. There'll be the, how to grind the aluminum, and then another resin art painting that I did on an aluminum 24 by 24. And if you like this video and you like where I'm going and what I'm doing, make sure you please subscribe. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye-bye.